The court battle between two nonprofit organizations centered around the Secor Power disaster continued in Iberia Parish today. News 10's Zane Hogue joins us from outside the courthouse to explain this $400,000 argument.
Today, representatives with Gulf Coast Humanitarian Efforts and the United Cajun Navy appeared before a New Iberia Parish judge.
What we were here for today was Mr. Derwin had filed a lawsuit against my clients some time ago. We argued what's called an exception of no cause of action. We won that exception. As a result, Mr. Derwin was given an opportunity to amend his petition. That's what we were arguing about today, was whether or not that amendment stated a claim that the court can give them something for.
In April of 2021, the Secor Power lift boat capsized in the Gulf of Mexico, leading to a search and rescue mission from the United Cajun Navy and local volunteers. After the UCN called off their search, these volunteers kept scouring the area, making sure no stone was left unturned. The volunteers later formed the Gulf Coast Humanitarian Efforts, a nonprofit organization to help families of the Secor crew members. The petition states the public donations totaled almost $400,000. In the 7-page petition, United Cajun Navy is accused of donating only a portion of the money.
The undeniable stone cold truth is they've only claimed to have such, paid out $65,000, and at the time we had hundreds of thousands of dollars, and we're not using them to find these men. So are we really trying to find these men, or are you just trying to make money?
Today's hearing had the same result as the hearing back in February, when the judge ruled there was no cause of action in the petition. According to the ruling, a donation must be fulfilled or have written contract, not just a verbal agreement claimed by Derwin. However, the judge did grant Gulf Coast Humanitarian Efforts 30 days to amend the petition a third time to clarify statements.
We'll amend the petition. We're still going to move forward. We believe that our right to discovery will lead to opening those doors, which will grant us the cause of action for the transfer of funds and whatnot. We assume they'll have their own rebuttals, and we'll be back here arguing again. But I mean, we're not going to quit. So this isn't over.
But my understanding is that the plaintiffs plan to amend their petition for a third time and try again.
Another hearing will be scheduled following the submission of amendments by attorneys representing Gulf Coast Humanitarian Efforts.
In New Iberia, Zane Hogue, KLFY News 10.